In a tragic and alarming development, TikTok, one of the world's most popular social media platforms, is facing a lawsuit following the death of a 10-year-old girl who allegedly lost her life while attempting the blackout challenge. This incident has reignited concerns about the role of social media in exposing children to harmful content, raising significant legal and ethical questions about the responsibilities of these platforms. The heartbreaking case centers around Nyla Anderson, a young girl from Pennsylvania, who tragically passed away after trying the viral blackout challenge she encountered on her TikTok feed. The challenge, which encourages participants to choke themselves until they lose consciousness, has been linked to several deaths and injuries among children and adolescents. Nyla's mother, Twyna Anderson, has filed a lawsuit against TikTok, accusing the platform of promoting this dangerous content through its algorithm, which specifically targeted her daughter's For You page. At the core of the legal battle is the controversial Section 230 of the 1996 Communications Decency Act, which has historically shielded online platforms from liability for content posted by third parties. However, a recent ruling by the U.S. Court of Appeals for the Third Circuit has allowed the lawsuit to proceed, arguing that TikTok's algorithm played an active role in promoting harmful content to children, thereby making the company potentially liable for the consequences. The court's decision marks a significant shift in how the legal system views the responsibilities of social media companies. Traditionally, platforms like TikTok have been protected under Section 230, which treats them as neutral intermediaries rather than publishers. However, in this case, the court highlighted that TikTok's algorithm actively curates and recommends content, which could make the platform accountable for the harm caused by its recommendations. The ruling underscores the growing recognition that social media companies must take greater responsibility for the content they promote, especially when it comes to the safety of vulnerable users like children. The case has broader implications beyond TikTok. It raises urgent questions about how social media platforms should be regulated and what steps need to be taken to protect users from harmful content. As algorithms become more sophisticated and tailored to individual users, the potential for exposing children to dangerous challenges and other harmful material increases, making it imperative for these platforms to implement more stringent safeguards. For Nyla's family, the lawsuit is not just about seeking justice for their daughter's death, but also about preventing other families from experiencing similar tragedies. As Twyna Anderson poignantly stated, "It is time that these dangerous challenges come to an end so that other families don't experience the heartbreak we live every day." The outcome of this case could set a precedent that forces social media companies to reevaluate their practices and prioritize the safety of their users over profit-driven algorithms. In the end, this tragic incident serves as a stark reminder of the darker side of social media, where the pursuit of engagement and virality can sometimes lead to devastating consequences. As society grapples with the implications of this case, it's clear that more must be done to protect the youngest and most vulnerable members of our communities from the potential dangers lurking in the digital world. Stay subscribed for more videos.